The GrillGrate infrared laser is a very handy tool because it allows you to take the temperature of your grill grates at the point of attack. It's not an ambient temperature where we know it's 450 in the air here in my Weber. Let's just take a peek. I just turned it off. It is actually 529, 530. So that shows you grill grates do run hotter. Couple tips. This does not read. You see a little red dot. It is not reading right there at that red dot. That's giving you an area. It's really reading a fairly large cone. That's why this kind of product doesn't work on traditional grates very well, because it's going below the grates themselves. It's reading the heat down below, which will give you a false high, really a false high temperature. But with grill grates, what I like to do is just scan across, and I know that I'm running between 490 and 500. It's already dropped a little bit because the grill's off. So this is my favorite way to use them, and I get a really good idea of the surface temperature of my grill grates.